Are you as nutty as the Nutty Group? These are snacks from the Nutty Group, and they're snacks made from dried fruits, nuts, seeds, and a few spices, coconut. That's about it. No other ingredients in there. It says they're gluten-free, organic, and vegan-friendly. Which, to be honest, from the ingredients, I'd be more worried if they weren't vegan. I mean, what kind of... I should hope that there are no meat products in dried fruit and nuts. They've got various different flavours: pumpkin pie, Christmas, blueberry and coconut, apricot and chia. And they're about this big, so each one is a little ball like that. They're very chewy and very squishy, as you would expect, as they are dried fruits clumped together with various bits of nuts or seeds and a bit of spices in there. The way these are, the sizes of the dried fruit and the nuts are quite variable. So within each one, there you have bigger pieces, you have smaller pieces of the nuts and dried fruit, which means that when you bite into them, you get a bit more of a textural feel. There are other snacks out there where they kind of just blend it really fine into a paste and you get a more of a homogenized texture and a more homogenized taste. But with these, depending on when you bite, in that particular moment, you're getting like a pang of a cashew nut or a pang of a blueberry or a pang of an apricot. So we prefer that kind of slight more variance in the texture and the flavors with each bite. If you prefer something with much more of a homogenized taste where everything just really ground finely down or into a paste and then mold it back in together, then these will be not what you were expecting. You're able to see from the picture there, they've got dried fruits, the apricots of different sizes, the cashew nuts, there's tiny pieces as well as a bit more of a bitey one. In terms of the flavour, they're exactly as you'd expect it. In a simplistic, puristic way. It says blueberry and coconut and it tastes like blueberry and coconut. Tastes like pumpkin pie and it's got that cinnamony kick, although no pumpkin. The apricot and chia tastes like apricots. Chia seeds don't really have that much of a taste, I suppose. So in terms of the flavour, you can guess more or less what it will taste like. So you'll be able to choose whichever flavour you think you will like. And because you do get some of the dried fruits and the nuts of bigger sizes in there, when you bite into them, you do really get that burst of the flavour. Up to you whether you'd want something with a bit more variability with each bite, or you want something where the taste has just been all blended into that it forms one combined taste. I suppose in a way the comparison I can draw is whether you prefer a white chocolate covered strawberry or a white chocolate strawberry mousse, where the first one is you get a bite and a flavour of the white chocolate and the strawberry separately but at the same time, or you have the mousse which you taste both at the same time but it's all already mixed in. Hope the description helps you figure out whether this is something that you'd want to try, and if so, which flavour you think you'll like the most, to find the one that fits your personal taste the best. Thank you very much. Hit the bell to stay tuned to different reviews and discussions and descriptions of the foods that I'm doing, the cost analysis of different things that you can make yourself, as well as the reviews and comparisons of different products. Please comment if there's something that you think is an interesting product. If you've got a friend who likes dried fruit and nut snacks, give them a shout about this. And if they're inclined to a vegan, gluten-free, organic diet as well, even if they're not, I mean, they're still tasty. If you like dried fruit and nuts. If you don't like dried fruit and nuts, then probably want to look for something else. Thank you very much and have a tasty day.